All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports. I'm going to do a quick video. I know I had a lot of people asking if they can get a video of the truck running and what it sounds like with a big aftermarket turbo. This is the 2011 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. It's got thousands and thousands of upgrades. Make sure you guys go to my website, check out the full list of upgrades. It is head studded. It has a bigger aftermarket turbo. It's lifted 9 inches on a set of 2214 American forces. But there's a ton of parts that are done to this thing. So make sure you guys jump over to the website. It's deluxemotorsports.com, spelled D-L-U-X motorsports.com. You guys hang out to the end of the video and you guys will get to hear this bad beast. It is a Texas truck. Originally, when I bought this truck a couple years ago, I don't have time to polish the wheels, unfortunately. The guy that we use for polishing is a couple months behind because he's the best. And I only like to use the best when it comes to polishing wheels. So unfortunately, I can't polish the wheels out for you guys. It is something that is easily done. Those wheels will come out and look brand freaking new. This is an LTZ model, amp electric step boards, power everything. You got a tiny bit of wear mark on the seat right there. The leather overall is still in very, very good shape. The back seats were barely ever sat in. Doubled in radio. Dash has the typical GM crack that you can see up there. Very common for this year. You have some wear on the upper steering wheel right here. Outside of that, mechanically, this truck is strong as can be. I'm gonna fire this thing up, let you guys hear the turbo and what this joker sounds like. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Does have a fifth wheel hitch. The body's still in really good shape for the year and the miles. This truck's got 245,000 miles, but it runs like it's got 50,000 miles. Mechanically, very, very nice. Cognito upper control arms. Almost every part on the front end is from Kryptonite. Again, go to the website for a full list. I'm gonna rev her up a little bit for y'all.
The Wendy's $3 breakfast deal is here. Get a bacon or sausage.
I'm telling you, she's a beast. Anyway, 2011 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, 6.6 Duramax, Allison trans. Mechanically, this truck is very, very nice. It's been through our service shop. It's been through state inspection. It does fail Virginia state inspection because it does not have a catalytic converter. Outside of that, mechanically, it is very nice. You guys can hear the whistle of the turbo. It sounds even better in person. There's a tiny bit of damage right there in the rear where the bumper was. Outside of that, like I said, overall, it's still in very good shape. It's a 2011, it's got 245K, but you guys stand from 10 feet away from this distance right here. If these wheels were polished up, this truck is a very, very good looking truck. We're only got this thing priced online for $24,000 for all of our local buyers. So if you're a local buyer, 24 grand will buy this truck right now today. And I can promise you, if I added up the upgrades between lift kit, wheels, tires, all the performance upgrades, aftermarket turbo, SDP piping, all the whole Kryptonite front end, this truck has easily $40,000 in upgrades by itself. So anyway, if you guys got any questions, give us a call direct, 540-898-1300. Don't forget, in the bottom right of this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment below what you guys think. What you guys think about this 2500 LTZ beast. Whistling. She's straight whistling, baby. Come on. One more shot, one more shot. Like I said, you got some rock chips here and there, a couple small scratches here and there. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, Kryptonite front end parts. Cognito boatable ball joints, easy to change. You got box reservoirs front and rear. The truck rides extremely good as well. Tons of power, 5 tunes, from PPEI. It does come with a handheld tuner so you guys can switch tunes. Anyway, Mark, Deluxe Motorsports, give us a call, 540-898-1300.